Today I'll show you how to print your Amazon list. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to have a tangible copy of your list, I'll guide you through this simple process. Printing your Amazon list is straightforward, and with just a few easy steps, you'll have a physical copy in no time. First, you'll need to start by opening up Amazon and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, move your cursor over to the top right corner where you see Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Your Lists, and this will take you to a page displaying all the lists you've created on Amazon. Now you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side of the page. This is where all your lists are organized. You'll want to click on the specific list you're interested in printing. This step is essential because it ensures you're working with the correct list you will want to have a physical copy of. Once you've selected the desired list, look towards the top right corner of your list page. Here you'll notice an option labeled Invite, and right next to it either three dots or a button labeled More. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Print List. Amazon will then generate a clean, printer-friendly version of your list. This is particularly helpful as it removes unnecessary web elements, making your printout clear and easy to read. Now, with the printer-friendly version open in front of you, it's time to send it to your printer. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. For Mac users, use CMD+P. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to bring up the print dialog box, allowing you to select your printer, adjust settings, and finally print your list. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully printed your Amazon list. Having a physical copy can be incredibly useful for shopping trips or just keeping track of items you're interested in. Remember, this process can be repeated for any list you have on Amazon. So feel free to print out multiple lists if needed. Printing your list not only helps in organizing, but also provides a backup in case you lose access to the digital version. It's also a great way to share your list with others who might not have access to your Amazon account. So whenever you're ready to print another list, just follow these steps and you'll be set. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy shopping and list making.